Hey there, drone fans. Today I'd like to give you 5 good reasons why I think the new Hover X1 Pro Max is an awesome drone and why I think you're going to love it. To start with, it's incredibly small. When you fold this up, it really is about the size of a paperback book. You can slide this into your pocket and take it with you pretty much anywhere. And when you want to fly, you basically just spread these 2 side wings like that, and it's ready to go. And the cage protects the propeller, so it's incredibly safe when you have it outside. But really, the key selling point to this particular product is that it's really small. And people ask, what's the best drone on the market? The honest truth is, the best drone is the one that you have with you when that beautiful sunset is happening and you want to capture some great footage. So small and compact. It also records incredibly good footage. It'll record 8K video or 4K at 60 frames per second, which is as good as your DSLR. So if you're on vacation, having this along with you gives you a DSLR that flies. So imagine you're there with your family, you've got a beautiful waterfall behind you, you launch it from your hand, it takes off, it flies to its apex, maybe 30 or 40 feet away, and it's capturing great footage of you and the family and the landscape around you. Just a really easy drone to use. Another thing that makes this drone pretty special is the fact that it's really smart. It's got automated flight patterns built in that you can select from the digital display on the top, and once you push the button and it launches off from your hand, it'll automatically fly that pattern, capture the footage, take a few pictures, and come back and land right in your hand where it took off. And that's absolutely amazing because a lot of drones on the market require your phone, or they require a controller, and you've got to kind of set it up, you've got to connect to the drone. With this one, it's a selfie drone. You turn it on, you push a button, and it automatically flies and completes that pattern, which gives you some incredibly stable footage that you can instantly post to your social media channels or just send to your friends to let them know how you're doing on vacation. It's also an incredibly fast drone when it's flying. It has the ability to follow you, so if you're walking along the street, it can fly in front of you, looking at you, keeping you in the frame. If you're on your bike, it can follow behind you or follow in front of you, and it can fly at up to 26 miles an hour. So if you're on your bike and you're zooming through that trail that you like to ride on, this will follow you and capture great footage of you on that trail and all of the landscape around you, which is pretty cool. Now, the final thing I'll mention is it's more than a selfie drone. A lot of times, drones like this really can only be used in that automatic mode. But what Hover's done with this particular model is they've introduced an entire line of accessories that allow you to fly it on its own. So you can pull it out of your pocket, turn it on, push a button and have it fly a predetermined pattern. You can also fly it manually with your phone, and you can access the application that allows you to make changes to the settings inside the drone on your phone. But they also make a controller that's incredibly cool. It's sort of like a Transformers type thing where you clip your phone in it, the joysticks pop out, or I should say the handles pop out from either side. You've got joysticks on the top of it. So it essentially turns your phone into a full-featured controller. So if you want to fly this as a selfie drone, easy enough to do. You can fly it with your phone, and you can fly it with that controller using your phone as a display. So what you've got here is hands down one of the best selfie drones on the market as far as picture quality goes, in addition to which you can fly it with your phone or you can fly it with a controller. So it's really like 3 drones in one. So I like this unit an awful lot. I've been flying it for quite some time, capturing some pretty cool footage out there in the field, and pretty much it goes with me anywhere I go on vacation because I'm always wanting to capture a beautiful sunset or a lake or maybe a waterfall that I'm standing in front of, and this drone just takes all the hassle out of catching that footage. And that's pretty much all I had for today. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you found value in the clip, and until next time, as always, happy flying.